RACO, the market leader in electrical boxes and covers, offers a line of adjustable mud rings for 1 or 2 gang in both 4-inch square and 4 11/16 square boxes. These unique mud rings adjust from 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 depth, providing added flexibility when finished wall depth is unknown or changes. The adjustment screws stay visible after devices are installed. Today we'll run through an installation and along the way show you some of the innovative and time-saving features.
Simply start by sliding the mud ring keyholes over the screws on the box mounting ears and then fasten tight. In this instance, we're installing onto the RACO Adjustable Open Center bracket, so the mud ring also secures the box in place at the same time. Other adjustable mud rings require the complete removal of a mounting screw in order to fit over the box. But the RACO mud rings slide over both mounting screws, reducing install time. With the mud ring in place, the devices can now be installed. The 2 adjustment screws quickly raise or lower the depth, and the screw threads are covered to protect wires in the box. The adjustment can be done before or after the drywall or finished wall surface is installed.
So on your next project, use RACO adjustable mud rings and get a flush fit every time.
Remember, look to Hubbell RACO for all your electrical needs.